All right, hi, this is a Bill from Aztec. This is the Aztec Sidewinder. It's a propane-powered, highly productive floor stripping machine. If you have to strip VCT floor finish from any hard floor, whether it's VCT, concrete, or terrazzo, the Aztec Sidewinder is going to strip that material faster than any other machine. You can use an auto scrubber to try and do it. You can use a swing machine, a side-by-side. This machine is going to do it 15 times faster than those other traditional floor stripping machines. The reason is because the Aztec Sidewinder, which this is our 30-inch machine, it also comes in a 24-inch machine, which is a little bit more maneuverable, smaller spaces. But the reason that the Sidewinder strips so much faster than any other machine, you have 3 10-inch brushes, which I'm going to show you in a minute. They spin in one direction, and the entire drive spins in the other. They call that planetary motion. So if you have a swing machine or an auto scrubber, you have one pad spinning in one direction. With the Sidewinder, you have a planetary motion. Again, 3 brushes spinning at 1200 RPMs in one direction, the entire drive spinning in the opposite direction. When you combine that with very aggressive strip brushes, and then the head pressure, the weight pushing down on the floor on those brushes, and then the power of propane, that combination is what allows this Sidewinder to strip floors 10 to 15 times faster than any other floor stripping machine. Again, just like our high-speed burnisher, clean burning Kawasaki propane engine. So all of our equipment standardized on this Kawasaki 603cc engine, so it's easy to maintain your fleet because they're the same engines. I'm going to show you the bottom of the Sidewinder so you can see the planetary motion we're talking about. So you see these 3, these are 40 grit stiff bristle brushes. They spin in one direction and the entire drive spins in the other. So that's what creates that planetary motion. It is also able to float up and down over highs and lows in the floor. So it's keeping these brushes in contact with the floor at all times. The Sidewinders, because of the weight necessary to deliver that head pressure, which makes this machine so effective, means it's a heavy machine. So both the 24-inch and the 30-inch have a third wheel, which we call the transportation wheel. That just helps you get the machine from your truck into the facility to where you want to start working. When you're to the point where you want to start working, you take your transportation wheel off, you stow it on the side of your machine, and now you're ready to get started working. You lower the machine to the floor, use your body weight so that you're not dropping it. You want to gently put it down on the floor. If you want to raise the machine up to look at the bottom or to put the transportation wheel back on, again, use your body weight. Step up, throw yourself back, and you can lift the machine up. Someone else can put the transportation wheel on for you. And that's it. Once you get to where you want to go, just like with the burnisher, you have an adjustable handle. You're going to set the handle to a position that's comfortable for you. And now you're ready to start working. The Sidewinders, whether it's a 24-inch or a 30-inch, they both come with a clutch standard. So when you start this machine, battery and key start, the brushes are not going to spin. So if I start this machine now, the brushes are going to be idle. When I'm ready to start going, I'm going to throttle up. And when I get to 50% throttle, the brushes engage, and now I can start working and then accelerate to full throttle and follow the machine in a slow, deliberate pace. And you're going to strip 7 to 10 layers of floor finish in a single pass if you're doing a traditional floor strip with a floor stripper chemical. Now, the Sidewinder also, both sizes, have a 10-inch pad holder which you can install on the machines instead of the 10-inch strip brushes. And this is for a case when you want to be less aggressive and you want to just do what's called as a top scrub. And in that case, you'll get either a blue or a black 10-inch stripping pad or scrubbing pad. You'll put those on the 3 pad holders, and now with just water and a neutral cleaner, you could do a top scrub, so you're not using a stripping chemical, and you're just going to remove 1 or 2 layers of the top of the floor, and then you're going to recoat and replace those layers with new. So you're not going to do a complete traditional strip. So the Sidewinder, it can do both the top scrub and recoat or a traditional strip. And if you're going to do the traditional strip, you're going to use the strip brushes. They're very aggressive, and they emulsify that floor finish after it becomes softened from the floor stripper. Again, every machine that Aztec makes, whether it's the lowrider high-speed burnisher or the Sidewinder propane-powered floor stripping machine, it's designed and built for indoor use, designed to increase the productivity of a job that you're already doing with a traditional piece of equipment. And again, you could be using an electric plug-in high-speed buffer. The propane's rated to be more productive. If you're stripping floors, you can use an auto scrubber, or you can use a side-by-side swing machine. Those are rated at under 1,500 square feet per hour. The 30-inch Sidewinder can strip 15,000 square feet an hour. So significant increase in productivity. And so just as fast as the Sidewinder is on the front end stripping, we have another machine which I'm going to show you, which is called the Grand Finale, and that's to speed up the last part of your job, which is applying new floor finish. One last thing I want to mention, coming in June, we are going to have a battery-powered Sidewinder stripping machine. Same planetary motion, same strip brushes, same 10-inch pad holders, but it's battery-powered instead of propane. And this is for places where you can't use propane or facilities that are always occupied, like a nursing home or a hospital. Now you're going to be able to strip floors 10 times faster than traditional side-by-side machines with the battery Sidewinder. It's super quiet, no emissions, and you can run it while the facility is occupied. It's quieter than running a vacuum cleaner. And again, it comes with the choice of the strip brush or the strip pad. You're going to have the same type of head pressure pushing down, that same planetary motion as the propane. It's just powered by battery. And the technology that we have, it's a rapid charge battery technology. So the machine will come with 1 battery. You run it, it'll last about an hour. Once that battery's done, you take your backup battery, you plug it in, and you put your other battery on the charger to recharge. Now you can run continuously just by swapping batteries. As fast as the first one runs out, the other one's charging. So you can continue to just swap the batteries for a continuous runtime using the battery-powered Sidewinder. Thank you.